Hey, we're going to be changing the oil in my wife's 2025 Subaru Outback Wilderness today. Now this engine has the 2.4 turbo, and it recommends that you use OW20 for an engine oil for this. And we picked Mobil 1 as our oil of choice for today, as well as a Mobil 1 oil filter. The setup for this is pretty simple. The oil pan is easy to access and the filter is right on top. You just need a small filter wrench and something to contain the oil. So it should be a pretty quick change. I thought with all the skid plates that this might be somewhat difficult, but it really isn't. So let me show you where the oil filter is. It sits right here, so it drains back down. It has a little catchment tray, so we'll take this off. We'll get the car up so I can get underneath it and go from there. If this is something you're interested in, please stick around for the video. All right, so I choose to use ramps just because it gets the vehicle up off the ground. Keeps you safe in the process. All you need for this job is a 17mm socket, and I'll show you where the oil drain plug is real fast, and then we'll get started. So just past the skid plate is the oil pan, and this is the drain plug right there. So super easy to get to, and it should make this job pretty easy. All right, we got some gloves on, and then we're gonna take our filter wrench and you're gonna spin it right off. Comes right out. So you can see we'll have some residual just to clean up with some paper towels before we put the new filter on, but that's as easy as it gets. All right, you can see how we clean that off. We got the new filter. We put a little bit of oil on that gasket, clean oil on that gasket, and we'll just thread it back on. And just give it that, and that's all for the oil filter. So let's get down and drain this oil pan. All right, we got our oil pan down. We'll see if we can do this without making a big mess. Again, this is a 17mm. I'm just lifting this up to keep it from making a mess, and then we'll pull it out. There we go. Now this engine holds about almost 5 quarts, so it's 4.9. I'm gonna clean this off. This will get a new gasket, and then we'll put it all back together. So the car has about 7,000 miles on it since I changed the oil last. So we'll just let it drain. I didn't do too bad getting oil in my hand. All right, we got the drain plug back in and just tightened it down with a new crush washer. I'm gonna take out the oil fill right here. I'm gonna put it in our funnel, and then we're gonna put the new oil in. Like I said, this takes OW20 and full synthetic. Yeah, there should be a little film you take off, and then we're gonna just pour it in. Now this would go much faster if I had a bigger funnel, but I can't find it, so. All right, so that's 4 quarts. So we're gonna put about 3/4 of a quart back in, and then we'll pull it off the ramps and see what our oil level is. All right, that should be about it. And let's go ahead and check the oil. So the dipstick is right here. We're gonna wipe it off. We've let it set. We let it warm up all the way, and then we've let it set for a few minutes. And you can see that the oil is between the low mark and the high mark, hopefully. So we're right where we need to be. All right, so that was the oil change on our 2025 Subaru Outback Wilderness. Super easy, filter's easy to get to, 17 millimeter drain plug underneath. Make sure you get the crush washer for the oil pan. And I prefer using the ramps over jack stands because you don't have to worry about jacking the vehicle up and you can just drive right up. So super easy to do, super easy for someone at home to do. Just make sure that you check which motor you have and the Subaru that you do have to get the proper oil for it. So this is Dan, and we'll see you next time.